There are some amazing brush strokes in Affinity which you can get for free. Let's talk about it. In Affinity, with the Path Brush tool, you can paint just like we do with the brush tool in Photoshop. Since we are in Vector tab, so it will create a path and apply the brush stroke that is currently selected. But we can do some really amazing things with the Path Brush tool in Affinity. If you go to the Path Brush panel, here you can find various brush strokes. There are two types of brush panels in Affinity. Go to Window, Vector, and here you can see the path brushes. Also in general, there is one more panel for brushes. These two are similar, not the same but similar. These brushes are cool, you can try them, but there are some really amazing ones. Select Image Brushes. Since Affinity is free, all these brushes are free. If I zoom in, you will see these brush strokes are really pixelated, but actually they are not. Go to View, Mode. Here the pixel is selected. Once you select Vector, it will be sharp like a vector object. There are many of them. I would suggest you to play with these brush strokes. You can also apply them in any path. Right now I'm just using the brush tool. For example, I can make a circle and apply these brush strokes. It's taking the selected color of this stroke. Right now, black is selected. Also, you can add gradients. Go to the Swatches panel. From the drop-down menu, select Gradients. Now you can add any mixture of colors. But for these brush strokes, the Path Brush tool works the best. By the way, at the top you have brush settings. If you have a tablet, then you can use the pressure sensitivity. There are blend modes and also more settings here. So this is how you can get some awesome brushes in Affinity.